Okay, I ran out of welding wire. So here's what we have to do to change the welding wire. Just clip off the end, pull the cup off. I like to take the tip off. This makes it easier feeding the wire back through. Dirty. Okay. Unhook the little compression tension holder that holds the wire to the feed roll. Pull this off. This will go in the garbage. Guess if you're real fanatical about it, you could recycle that little bit of wire that's left right there, or use it for TIG welding or something. If you're really being proficient. This is it. Chinese, yes, welding wire. Bought off Amazon for like 35 bucks a roll. Versus the welding wire you can get at the welding store for like $70 a roll. Which for most things isn't going to make any difference for anything ornamental type of stuff. Okay, so let's pull that off and trim the little piece off. There's a little stopper on here that needs to line up and catch with the roller. And you just feed the wire through. Make sure you get it into your little liner and the welding gun. Little cat. Push that down, your torquer's back on. There's a little usually they have a little button for cold feed. There we go. This one like automatically senses that you're just running a new roll of wire in. There it is. Put your tip back on. You can change your tip if it's bad shape. But the way I check is if this is moving pretty free on the wire, if it's not hanging up at all, probably still fine. Just make sure don't get it cross-threaded. Might have a little crap in there. It's not too bad. Sometimes just a little bit of grit. This thing, just snug it, just snug. You don't have to torque on it. Trim your wire. I always like to clean the cup out while you're doing that. Just run that around the inside and clean any crap out of there and all the goo. You can always spray it down a little bit. Spray your cup out just to kind of clean it off. All right. There you go. So that's pretty much it. It's ready to rock and roll. Close it back up. That's all.